Hey guys, David Rocco here, and I'm gonna do a really fantastic recipe, spinach saltate. My buddies at Harvest Fresh, the Carnevale family. You guys, love you guys, because you guys send me all your fantastic produce that's already washed. In a hot pan, a little bit of olive oil and garlic. Slicing the garlic. Lots of chili flakes. I like it picante. That's working nicely. Now, our spinach. So you think you might have a lot, but it's gonna wilt down and it's gonna leave you with very little. And it takes seconds to cook, guys. Really, really easy. Po di sale, a little bit of salt. So there's a lot of moisture in fresh spinach. You just wanna cook it until all the moisture has been reduced. That's how easy it is, guys. I think it took 2 minutes. Put this in a plate, and then I'm gonna put this in a beautiful, crispy prosciutto Havarti grilled cheese. Heat up a pan, thin slices of prosciutto. This is gonna crisp it up. Yum! Oh yeah. Now some smoked Havarti cheese, spinach, some butter, don't be shy in the butter. Press down a little bit. So, more butter. Oh yeah. And just kind of let it sit there to create that beautiful crust. And give it a nice press, because I love when my grilled cheese are a bit kind of squashed. Okay, look at that. Nice and crispy, buttery. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah, baby. Look at that. Oh yeah. This is so good.